guys, we are on another video and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a maze on Scratch. So let's get straight into this and get started. So first you'll find these tools up here. This one's a duplicate, so if we click on this we can have another sprite. You can't see the other one because it's on the same thing, but if we drag it out it's here. This one is to delete, so if we click on this sprite it will delete it. This one is to shrink, and this one is grow, and then this one is block out. So if we click this is a stage and all that stuff, and if we press motion, yeah, it just shows that part. So now what we want to do is actually get a sprite. I'm going to choose the cat for now. It's really laggy. So the cat is here. So I got the cat. I'm going to call this cat without the one because that just looks weird. So the first we want to shrink this by grabbing the shrink tool up here and click it, and we're going to drag it wherever you want them to start, and I'll start them over here. So grab the go to block, and if you drag it to there it changes the coordinates or whatever it's called, and yeah, so it goes to there. So for example, if I drag it to the middle it will show it where it is, so it might not exactly be in the middle because you might not do it properly. So it looks like it, but it's not. So one green flag is clicked. First we have to make the maze, which if we go to the backdrop, I'm going to make a basic maze. So I'm going to do it on vector. I'm going to do a line. Put it, and also on here grab the rectangle and choose the black, but do on this one, and do the outline. We can make it thick, and you have to do that because so you can't like touch the edge or anything. So we have to shrink this more by grabbing the shrink tool, and there we go. So what we want to do, so we're going to grab a forever loop and grab an if. So if the key A or left arrow is pressed, so key left and go to the operators, and you'll find this or. So this, if you don't know what this do, so it does this, or it can do that as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna put key left arrow pressed or key A is pressed because you use W, A, D, and S. So after when that's done, go to motion and grab this change X. And if you want, you can do something fancy like go make a variable called X speed. I won't use this, but you can if you want, and grab set it to 0 at the start. Then you can change it by -3, and also grab set X speed in the forever loop, not in the if, and grab this, multiply it and do 0.9 and put X speed into the other one, and grab change X by X speed. So now it will basically left arrow. If I do, oops, wrong way. -3. And also I have to do all the other ones, so right arrow, D. So what I can do, if I put that in there, I can, oops, 3. So now it's like nice smooth, and it slows down if you want to do that, but it goes really fast, so yeah. Unless you change this, I'm gonna try 1. I don't know. Yeah, 1's better, so you can use 1, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna use that because I already done it. So I'm gonna duplicate both of these now, and do the up arrow, or the W key, so W, the up arrow, oops, down arrow. So I think, I don't know about this, but I think you have to do make a variable y speed. So then you set it to 0. You put y speed, and you do the same thing. So up, and then you would change y and change y speed, I think. So up arrow, down arrow, or D, I mean S. So you can go so you do it the other way. So you do the -1 and 1 here. So we have left, up, and like that. Which is kind of cool. You actually both have these as well. And you're not allowed to touch the edge. It's kind of hard because I made this maze make it really small, because you can't so basically now you can literally go through the walls. So we want to make it not go through the walls. To do that, actually don't want these because it's not that good. So I'm going to take out these change thingies here. We'll delete these. And you want to change X. Oops. Left arrow. I think you know how to do these. So 5. 5. 5. -5. So if going to the left arrow, so if touching color, so grab this touching color from here, I'll zoom in so you can see, and you want to click this and click on the black thing outline here. So if the left arrow key is pressed, and if it's touching the color black, which is the maze thingy, then I just want to see something. So we can move. Then we want to change X by 5. So not -5, 5. Whatever, but take away the negative. So if we press the left arrow, we can't go through here because it's all more. See, just kind of cool. I haven't done the rest. So now we actually, I'm just gonna move it here because, yeah. Also, these variables don't exist. I can't speak. Exist. So we take it that away. Duplicate this, and I'll see you in a bit because I think you know how to do this already. Because it's kind of easy. If you're a beginner, you can just stay, or you can skip this video if you know it already. So I'm gonna duplicate this, do -5, and then duplicate this, do 5. But we want to change Y, so I'm gonna change it by Y. So it would be -5 and then 5 here. So now we have this. We can't go through that wall or the other wall. We can go through here though. And then you go up here. It can move around, and you can go down here into here. Now I'm going to make it so you can finish. If we take away this over here and go to make a new sprite and go to vector, you can choose anything, but I'm just going to make a light green circle to show that is the start. I want to center this one, and then we want to click and go back on this cat and grab go to on this one. So go to sprite 1. So then I'll go to sprite 1 here, but first grab go to front, so it goes to the front so you can see it. So yeah. So now what we want to do, we want to make a finished one. So we'll grab a vector. I'm going to make a box. This is finish. So now if we drag that in there, it's a box with text in it. And we can put that here. I'm going to shrink this a bit by grabbing that tool that I showed you. And now go to when green flag is clicked, grab a repeat until touching cat, and if touching cat, we want to say we want to broadcast you won. Get another sprite and go to vector. You can do any colored text, but it has to be colored, and type up you won. Center it. And when green flag is clicked, we want to hide. We want to set size to like 500. We want to see. So yep. Grab go to, and we want to do 0 0. And grab a when I receive one, we want to show. And grab a forever loop. Grab a repeat. I'll do 100 times, we want to say we want to go to looks and grab this change color effect, or you can do whirl or something like that. I'll do whirl, and then we want to stop all, and then go to a thingy and click clear graphic effects. So now if we do our thingy, it's kind of weird because we used a change by thing, and we'll go up here, and you can't go through the walls. And if we go to finish, if we touch finish, grab a forever loop, so now it's actually rolling, so that looks kind of weird. So do pixelated, fisheye, we'll do color effect. So if we go to the finish, oops, it's not moving. So if we go to the finish, again, so if we go to the finish, so we can't touch the walls like I said. If we touch it, it'll say U1. And also go to thingy and grab one I receive, U1. Go to control and grab this stop all, but change this to stop other sprites in this, other scripts in this sprite, and then stop this script. So then we can't move after that, which is even cooler. And then that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, that would be nice, and like this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.